We're down here in the Florida Everglades this morning, give away this beautiful tractor to our senior superintendent, Felipe Borrego. He's at Naples Beach Club. Over $100 million worth of work, mechanical and electrical. And we got this tractor here. We brought the big guy in, tapped him in.
Ready to give this tractor away.
Can't wait to see the look on his face. Let's go.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
We came to see you. Santa Claus, we came early.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
Wanted to give you a little something here for appreciation for what you do.
My brother.
Have a seat, try it out.